Aston Martin Vantage Roadster. Aston Martin is pleased to introduce the new Vantage Roadster, the convertible version that accompanies the already renowned Vantage Coupe. Launched in Arles-sur, the Vantage marks a new era for the British brand, raising the bar for luxury and performance with a level of driving engagement that surpasses all previous generations. Now, with the arrival of the Vantage Roadster, the driving experience becomes even more engaging. Under the hood, the Roadster packs Aston Martin's powerful 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, delivering an impressive 665 horsepower and 800 Nm of torque. It maintains the same level of cutting-edge performance as the coupe, combining sportiness and striking aesthetics with the pleasure of open-air driving, offering total freedom with the top down, a true celebration for convertible enthusiasts. Created to offer the charm, style, and excitement of open-top cars, the Vantage Roadster eliminates the drawbacks typically associated with the convertible design, with a minimal weight difference compared to the coupe and equipped with the fastest retractable roof on the market. It is a clear example of how uncompromising performance can be combined with unmistakable style. This model continues Aston Martin's rich roadster history, which began 75 years ago with the launch of the upgraded Vantage engine for the DB2 in 1950, available in coupe or sedan, and convertible known as Adrofegi Coupe, versions with improvements that increased its output from 105 horsepower to 125 horsepower. Milestone 2025 also marks the 20th anniversary of the V8 Vantage, introduced in 2005 as the first all-new model produced at Gaydon, and the first to use the Vantage name as a standalone identity, and whose Roadster version was launched just a year later, according to Adrian Hallmark, CEO of Aston Martin. The new Vantage represents a substantial advancement in the brand's technical and dynamic capabilities, and the Roadster follows suit. It is a high-performance car that preserves all the refinement of the coupe, while offering a unique driving experience with the roof open. It is, without a doubt, a complete reinvention of the Roadster concept, engineering, and performance. The secret of the Vantage Roadster lies in the fact that it was developed in parallel with the Vantage Coupe, rather than as a derivative project. This allowed engineers to treat the Roadster as a standalone model, ensuring that no dynamic characteristics were compromised due to the convertible design. Compared to the previous model, the 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine has undergone a notable evolution, with an increase of 155 horsepower and 115 Nm of torque. This was made possible by the use of larger turbines, a new valve timing profile, and adjustments to the compression ratio. The result is explosive performance, 0-2 km/h in just 3.5 seconds, and a top speed of 325 km/h, with rear-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. The lightweight aluminum chassis, combined with a near-perfect weight distribution, 49% front, 51% rear, provides the ideal foundation for the sport-tuned suspension system with double wishbones at the front and multi-link at the rear. Bilstein DTX adaptive shock absorbers ensure dynamic handling and impeccable stability in all conditions. The brakes are equally impressive. 410mm front discs with 6-piston monoblock calipers, which deliver powerful and consistent deceleration. The car is shod with bespoke Michelin Pilot Sport S5 tires, ensuring exemplary grip in both dry and wet conditions, as well as excellent steering response. An advanced electronic system with 6-axis sensors allows the ESP to automatically adjust the car's behavior based on driving style and road conditions. The advanced traction control system offers 8 levels of actuation, allowing the driver to adjust the electronic intervention, from high levels for safety in bad weather to full control off for extreme track driving. The Vantage Roadster's structure has been strategically reinforced to maintain rigidity, even without a fixed roof. Optimized additional panels and modifications to the rear attachment point ensure superior rigidity, even compared to the coupe. The Z-fold roof mechanism allows opening and closing in just 6.8 seconds at speeds up to 50 km/h, the fastest in its class. Furthermore, it can be operated remotely using the key within a radius of up to 2 meters. The soft-top system features 8 layers of sound insulation, ensuring a quiet interior environment, similar to that of a coupe. Even with all these technologies, the weight gain was minimal, just 60 kilograms, a remarkable feat in the segment. Rollover protection was developed with lightweight and resistant materials. The rope system uses a hybrid manufacturing process called castrusion, which combines extrusion and casting for maximum structural efficiency. The rear suspension and gearbox mounts were also adjusted to compensate for the slight change in weight distribution, ensuring that driving behavior remains true to the Vantage's sporty DNA. Simon Newton, the brand's performance director, explained, "Developing the coupe and roadster simultaneously allowed us to preserve the Vantage's sporty soul. Even with the roof removed, exposure to the environment makes the experience even more intense, without compromising performance or handling." The goal was clear: to maintain the visual impact and elegance of the coupe in the roadster, as well with or without the roof. The result is a car with impeccable proportions and a striking presence. With the roof down, the design appears natural, as if the car had always been conceived as a convertible. The sloping windshield blends into the car's high waistline, creating a pure sports car profile. The trunk lid seamlessly integrates with the spoiler, and the wide front grille ensures greater airflow to the engine, almost 30% more than before. The Roadster debuts 3 new colors: iridescent sapphire, satin, iridescent sapphire, and bronze flare. The roof can be chosen in black, blue, red, or black with silver. There are also 4 styles of 21-inch wheels with different finishes, and 7 color options for the brake calipers. According to Merrick Reichman, the brand's design director, the Vantage Roadster is a sculpture in motion. Its engine not only moves the car, but also brings its design to life, with the top-down, sound, form, and performance merge into a unique sensory experience. Technology and personalization. Like the coupe, the Vantage Roadster features Aston Martin's new infotainment system, which debuted on the DB12. The system features a 10.25-inch pure black touchscreen with gesture support, as well as full connectivity and integration with Android and iOS via the brand's dedicated app. Essential touch controls have been retained for ease of use, with physical buttons for primary functions such as gear shift, climate control, driving modes, and security system settings. The Vantage Roadster comes standard with the Aston Martin 390W sound system with 11 speakers, including surround sound with Quantum Logic technology for those seeking something even more sophisticated. An optional system developed in partnership with Bowers & Wilkins is available, designed specifically for the Roadster's interior acoustics. Conclusion: the new Vantage Roadster combines impressive performance, meticulous engineering, and stunning style. Combining open-air freedom with the refined dynamics of a coupe, it represents the pinnacle of the modern British sports car driving experience, and one with soul.